Hi, my name is Terry Gilmet, and my husband's Sylvester Gilmet Jr., and I've had this disease for 30 years. I'm 55, and I came down with it when I was 24, and I've had to retire this year. Somehow I've been able to work through this, but I've been really going downhill the last few years. My husband drives me up to Incline Village, Nevada, twice a week from Sacramento, California, so that I can get treatment. I get Ampligen, and I see Dr. Peterson. I'm here today because people need to understand this disease and know how serious it is. I've had a good friend pass away from this disease, Renee Diaz-Ferdinand, and also that there is not medical treatment that is available, and we need the government to get involved and to stop burying their heads and acknowledge this and give us the funding that we need so that we can come up with a cure. Thank you very much.
And I'd like to add something myself as a caretaker and having a relationship with Terry for over 20 years. I've seen the devastation of this disease, and it has devastated our relationship as a couple, but most importantly, it's devastated my wife's ability to be the person that she's meant to be. And I feel that it is government funding that will give my wife and others an opportunity and a chance to be the people and the persons that they are meant to be.